Let's analyze the bubble sort algorithm in terms of the number of steps where each step is either some operation or memory access. And as already said, each of such step takes a unit time. Consider an array like the one shown here. Because we are doing the worst case analysis, we have used an array that is reverse sorted so that the algorithm has to do the most number of steps possible to sort this array in ascending order. Okay. That is, we will get the worst case performance of the bubble sort algorithm when the data is sorted the other way. And let's kind of draw a table to track the number of comparisons or swaps that may be involved in each step. So we start by comparing 12 and 8. So that is one comparison. And the swap is done in 3 memory access steps, alright? Because we used a temporary bin, or in a program, we will use a temporary variable to do the swap, alright? That is, 8 goes to the temporary variable, then 12 comes to the place of 8, and then 8 is moved to the first slot. So that's 3 memory access steps. Then we move and compare 12 and 7, which is one comparison step, and then we swap the numbers in 3 steps. So each time we are doing one comparison and 3 swaps, alright? So in all, in the first pass, we did 16 steps. And by the end of the first pass, the largest number, which is 12, has come to the rightmost slot. Similarly, we can find that in the second pass, we do 12 steps. Then in the third pass, we do 8 steps. And finally, in the last one, we do 4 steps. And the array is sorted. So for the whole sorting algorithm, we ended up doing 16 plus 12 plus 8 plus 4 steps for a data size of 5 elements, which were reverse sorted, alright, because we were doing the worst case analysis here. If the array was not reverse sorted, the number of steps will be lesser than what we have calculated here, alright. So in the worst case, we do these many steps for 5 elements. So we can take 4 as a common factor out of these numbers so that the number of steps may be written as this. Again, this is for a data size of 5 elements. If there were n elements, intuition and a quick reasoning will tell us that the total number of steps may be written as this. The quantity in brackets is the sum of the first n minus 1 natural numbers, which are also called as triangle numbers, whose sum we already know is n into n minus 1 by 2. So this calculates to 2 into n minus 1. And this is a quadratic equation in n, which in general can be written in the form of Pn square plus Qn plus R, where P, Q and R are some constants.